guys, saw this side back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how we help an air duct cleaning company generated 13,777 air duct leads. That is close to 14,000 air duct and drywall cleaning leads in the span of approximately 14 months. Yeah, they have spent $171,000 over the Facebook ads and they have generated $14,000 air duct and drywall cleaning leads. Now, this company is not a small company anymore. They have like 4 or 5 trucks and they're fully booked, okay? And they are getting shit ton of messages every single day and they're getting a lot of leads, a lot of phone calls, a lot of inquiries, and their team is able to book like 25 to 30% of the leads into confirmed jobs. Yes. How? Let me tell you. First of all, they have their own ads. They have their own images, like technicians are standing in front of the happy customers like this. Air duct technicians standing in front of a van like this. Air duct technicians cleaning the ducts, dryers, ACs, furnace, everything. Okay. So what we are doing for them is that we are having a lot of ads. More than 500 ads are tested on this ad account. F16 Media helped this company to launch from scratch. So see, if you are also running the ads, all you need is to start having more content, because ads are all about content now. You don't need to focus on ad sets, ads, targeting, blah, blah, blah. No, focus on the content. If your content is not strong, you are not going to get leads, period. All right. So if you want that, okay, how is it possible? It is possible. You can see, right? We are having this page like campaign giving like maybe the like for not even $1. Okay. It's like super cheap, $0.22, 22 cents. Okay. So if you want, you can start running your own ads as well. Now it's your choice. You want to drive traffic to the messenger. You want to drive traffic to the WhatsApp, the website, the landing page, to the lead form, whatsoever. All you need is to get started. Okay. So how F16 Media helps? F16 Media helped this company get crazy leads and appointments from the day one. They started with us. We made their brand, logo, page, cover picture, website, and everything. And then we started their ads. Okay. So if you want as well, you can start running your own ads as well. No need to hire someone if you can burn some money and time, because of course, when you do something that you don't know, you are going to lose time and money. Okay. But if you want quick results and focus on your business and what you actually do, then no worries. Let's go. Okay. But if you don't want to waste time, if you want, okay, I want to do quick results, I want to see the results, I want to make money, I want to grow my business, then go to someone who is doing something already that you will be needing time to learn. It's better to go to someone who's already champion in what they do. Okay. Now, what is our offer? If you would think, okay, I want to speak with F16 Media, our offer is that we guarantee you leads, get as many leads you want for $14 per lead and close 25 to 40% of the total leads in confirmed jobs. Now, confirmation jobs is your choice, but we get you as many air duct leads you want for $14 per lead. Do you think this is something you need? No problem. Scroll down, click the button, and I'm going to show you how F16 Media can help. If we can help, we'll tell you and give you everything. If not, we will not waste your time and say clear no. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below, schedule a free call, and let's get you on board.